Welcome to this video on swim lane process according to lean manufacturing. In this video, we will be discussing what a swim lane process is, how it can be used in lean manufacturing, and how it can help your organization. A swim lane process is a visual representation of a process that shows the various steps and responsibilities of different departments or individuals involved in the process. SWIM stands for supplier, workflow, inputs and outputs, and customer. To create a swim lane process, you will need to follow these steps. Identify the different departments or individuals involved in the process. Determine the steps involved in the process. Assign each step to the appropriate department or individual. Create a flowchart that shows the steps and responsibilities of each department or individual. Now, let's see how this can be applied in lean manufacturing. One of the core principles of lean manufacturing is the elimination of waste. A swim lane process can help identify the areas of waste that should be addressed first. By identifying the responsibilities of each department or individual involved in the process, you can streamline the process and eliminate unnecessary steps. Here's an example. Let's say you are the manager of a manufacturing process, and you notice that your lead time has been increasing. You collect data and identify the different departments involved in the process, such as production, quality control, and shipping. After determining the steps involved in the process, you create a swim lane process. The process shows the steps involved in production, quality control, and shipping, and the responsibilities of each department in each step. By analyzing the swim lane process, you can see that there are some areas of waste in the process. For example, there are some steps where multiple departments are involved, which can lead to delays and confusion. By using the swim lane process, you can streamline the process and eliminate unnecessary steps. For example, you can assign clear responsibilities to each department and reduce the number of steps that involve multiple departments. In conclusion, a swim lane process is a powerful tool for visualizing a process and identifying areas of waste. By using a swim lane process in lean manufacturing, you can streamline the process and eliminate unnecessary steps. This approach helps you to reduce lead time, improve overall efficiency, and ultimately improve customer satisfaction. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos on lean manufacturing and process improvement.